So there we are, it's done. It needs a little dull then. It's done like done. I've had a bit of a struggle with this, as you may know. It's the sword Harrier T.12. It's got PRU resin, PUR, sorry, not PRU, PUR resin seats. Got to be careful cutting them off, the parts, because they don't any resin dust in your lungs, do you? Some of the parts didn't fit, but you make them fit when you're modelling. Right, it's the 25th of April, and got the fuselage together and the wing on, main wing on, and the undercarriage has to be on the stage as well. It's not the best fitting I've seen. I don't know if you can tell yet, if I just zoom in a bit. Can you see that wing joint there? Now that's not me being incompetent, because the rest of the wing fits, the rest of the wing fits pretty much snugly. But underneath the wing root there, you can park your bike there, can you know, and another gap there. So there's going to be a lot of filler, and this filler is going to be needed in there as well, and under there. So filler. But the other trouble is, I don't be complaining about this kit all the time, but it's funny how what things come up for things that needs to be mentioned. It's the hole for the tail section to go in, the elevators to go in, isn't big enough. It's about a fraction of a millimetre too small of a diameter there. Alright, and in fact the instructions diagram shows it being going into that hole there, which is just some sort of port, exhaust port or something. So I have to get the this blade and ream it out somehow like that. Just a little bit enough there, and I'll offer it up again, see if it'll fit. Not quite, but I'll give it a bit more of a enthusiastic few turns to make getting the hole a bit bigger. I don't overdo it, do I? That looks big enough. And oh dear me, nearly done, nearly there. I'll keep doing that until it's big enough, but you can see the difference inside between what it needed to be and what it was for the size of the peg that goes in there. See it? I could make the peg smaller, I suppose, but that's more or less a little bit more fiddling, and it'll go in, blow out the excess. That'll do, that's in. Alright, oh, and while I'm at it, I'll point out I've got the front area on. Sure that's in focus. And yeah, that's a big gap, it's definitely there. So I've more filler going in there, each side. And because that's part of the game, isn't it? The decals on top are 4 parts, and I used a bit of tape down the middle to indicate where the middle was, so I could put them on straight. I've had to put some of the parts on twice, but that's just because there isn't the proper connecting lugs, because it's just the way that this particular run is moulded. With some weathering pastels on the back, so just some black weathering pastels, and just my finger just rubbed it over like that. I've got to paint a couple of other parts. If I zoom into this part here, if you can see that, the little tiny speck there, look, that is a part to put on yourself. You think you'd just be moulded part of that part, but you actually put that on yourself with the tweezers, and hold your breath while you're doing it, because it's going to be a very small, delicate operation. I'd criticise this for a couple of things, but now it's done, I think, well, it didn't turn out too bad as a model, isn't it? It looks like what it should do, and it's of a actual plane which I've seen in Fairford in 2010, and this is if you look at there, I'll show you the photograph of the real thing now. So there we are, that's what I built, and it's done. There we are, I've finally did it. Finally got that kit out of the way and done. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it looked like, and haven't been put off by buying it and making it yourself. It does need a little bit of work though, filling and everything. Anyway, I'm not sure when the next full kit will be built. I want to give myself a bit of a break. I've built 5 models now, 4 or 5 models to this year already. So I want to be doing it because I'm enjoying it, not because I have to do another video, It's simple as that. I got so many other hobbies that I need time for. So tune in when it happens. I might make other videos again afterwards, in the meantime rather. But from past experience, they've been very underwatched. It's like 200 for the model reveals, and 15 for the viewers for the talks like this back and forth. So people don't want to look at my face, which is free country, so a few worlds and watch what you want, kind of. Which probably switched off already now. Anyway, so in the meantime, I may be doing a bit of a repair job on my large scale tiger moth, which has lost its wing. Well, it's come off. I haven't lost it. I got all the parts. So I'll do a link to the over there to the original video if I've still got it on my site, my account, and I'll rebuild that in sometime during May. In the meantime, I'm taking a break from that. I may put a awfully video on otherwise, but do people want to watch it? I don't know. I don't know what people want to watch on YouTube anymore. It's one of those things. Perhaps I should make one of those YouTube's killing my channel videos, Anyway, again, thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye bye.